Okay, what's going on, guys? So I pretty much had to do a recap because I already edited the vlog and I didn't realize that I wanted to make this vlog about my LDR as well as a update on what's been going on with me. And yes, there's no more dreadlocks. I'm gonna explain a little bit in the vlog. Like I said, the vlog is already edited, but I just want to make this short video because I want to really talk about really quickly, you know, what LDR is. LDR means long distance relationship, and as you can tell from the thumbnail in this video, I'm in an LDR with a beautiful Filipina. She's absolutely incredible, her family is incredible, and I'm excited to go and spend time with them.
Hi vlog, it's me Anne from the Philippines. So now I will be telling you a little bit story about how we met. So we met in Christian Filipino website. So thoughts, feelings, emotions, let's talk about them. I just can't believe that a few months ago we are just like chatting, and now we are about to see each other. Like, oh my gosh, I can't believe that I did this. I can't believe that we did this. I'm super excited ako. Super curious ako. I know for the fact that he is who he is. Even though I haven't meet him in person. I just want to know how he is in person. Just like talking to him online is fun and all. And it feels so we are so connected, but like how does being with him actually feels, that's what I'm curious about. I i feel so nervous. I'm super excited to see him, and I just can't believe that this is happening. So see you soon, babe.
Go pa kay ka eh. Ano naman? Okay ra ka dire? Oo. Ano ini earphone?
May pagbili na lang siya nag-stay for the whole month, no?
3 days lang siya. 3 days na siya.
3 days lagi.
May pagdiri na lang, no? Mas gwapo pa diha. Hindi siya diha sa gawas, hindi nang inom, basta lang doon.
I'm up there. I can't wait to see you.
Alright vlog, so this is the switch pod. So I've been using the Gorilla Pod the whole time, but I just put on the Joby ball head on this, and this about to be lit, man, for my vacation. I love it because you just boom, set it down, you know, you angle your camera however you want. That junk lit. Because the Gorilla Pod, all I usually do is just hold it like this anyways when I'm vlogging. So this is the perfect thing for me right there.
Not too close?
It's perfect, man. So let's test it out.
I walking too close to the camera.
Mike, because it's what's it done to record, man?
Why am I done recording? I want to keep recording. I don't want it done.
Now I gotta cut the.
Okay, you can edit. That's why you have edit.
No, turn off the effing camera, man, and let me put this on there. Alright guys, so this is the new setup. This is the Canon R6 with the, I think it's the 15 to 30 millimeter lens, and it's on the Joby Pod, but I got it on the Joby ball head mount. So it's pretty decent, man. This 15 millimeter, whew,
You had the car towed back here?
look at that junk. Why?
How you get back here? Towed?
Close it in, you know what I mean? Like I said, update, you already know vlog. I was looking in the screen a while ago, but you already know. Cut my hair off. Whole bunch of stuff happened, vlog. What you gotta say to the vlog, man?
Hi. Alright.
I thought you said you want to be a YouTuber. That's it?
Do, yeah, but yeah, that's it. Subscribe to him.
$60 million. Total fair, just, and reasonable debt.
Ooh, this Joby is nice. You feel me? It's real nice, guys. The switch mount with the Joby ball head. About to head to the mall with Chris and buy some more clothes for this trip to the Philippines. And as you can see, I cut my hair. So just a lot of stuff been going on. The past vlogs that I updated was like old footage from like I think a year ago, because I just got a new MacBook and I broke my previous lens, so now I got a 15 to 30 millimeter lens on here. So let's go see what we can get at the mall, guys. Look at this guy.
This dude don't want to drive. This is my truck, guys. This dude don't never want to drive. I'm not a driver. I don't drive trucks. I want to test your driving. I had who drive for a living should never complain about driving, because that's what he do. That's what he loved to do. He told me that. Ever since he told me that, me and driving ain't doing it unless I'm forced to.
All right, guys. So we still at the mall and just went to go shopping. Man, I've been spending too much for this Filipino trip, man. I just bought all of that stuff, shoes, clothes, all of that. But I'm right outside the movie theater right now. Chris just went in there to go see what time the movie's starting, and now I'm probably gonna run to Walmart really quickly, and because I have to buy a suitcase, basically. Buy all this stuff is annoying, but that's the movies right there. Chris is making me laugh with the face that he was making from the movie, but it's wild. Look at this dude, man. What's wrong with this scene? Oh man, yo, but seriously, guys, check this out though. It's crazy how I'm a Christian, right? I believe in the Bible, and it's crazy how the devil is in the entertainment industry, all of that, all over it, to the point where he's making a mockery right in people's faces, and people can't even realize that junk. It's sad, man. It's absolutely sad. What else did people?
Weak will, weak spirit, weak mind is easy able to be penetrated. Yeah, they made that clear in that movie, and it's true in real life too. You know, when you don't have the scriptures, you don't have God's words, you don't have a strong, spiritual background, you don't have a, strong spiritual network, people around you, you easily able to be penetrated like this.
All right, guys. So I'm about to go drop Max off to get his rabies shot so he can get groomed, and I'm about to go get my second shot for the COVID vaccine so I can hop on this plane to go to the Philippines. I definitely had a bad experience with Philippines Airlines. They told me originally, oh, since I got the first shot, I'll be considered partially vaccinated and I would be able to go. And then they told me, oh, I would have to quarantine. And then they told me the government changed the regulations, so all you need to do is just take a COVID test, and if you're negative, then you're good. It was just all over the place, and it ended up coming to I had to change my flight, so spent more money there. So frustrating, man, because I was supposed to be leaving today, actually, to be able to make my girlfriend's mom's birthday and spend my birthday there as well, but I'm gonna have to push everything back. You want to say hey to the vlog, Max? You know what? Chick-fil-A get a thumbs down from me. They forget to put the dang spoon in the thing. Got me over here licking the dang bowl like I'm Max. He in the back somewhere. This is horrible, man. I can't even do it. All right, guys. So I'm outside my mom's workplace. She works at a clinic. But yo, if you guys have never had the Chick-fil-A breakfast nugget in the bread looking thing, I don't remember what it's called. Dude, the thing is like crack. It's just pure bliss and ecstasy. It's so good. Look at it. Alright guys, I just got to the house. Just got my stuff. And I'm about to head out. I got one more work week. Pretty much until this trip. So you already know how we're doing it. We're doing it for the vlog. Ready, Max? Alright guys, so just did my pre-trip and all that. I'm about to go pick up a load in I forgot where in Michigan, but it's at Kellogg's. I think it's Battle Creek or something, I don't know. Pick that load up and I'm gonna drop it for relay in Columbus, and let's just see where the next few days leads us, because today is I think it's Thursday, Wednesday or Thursday. All right, Okay, so it's Thursday. So next Thursday is my last Thursday before the trip, and I think the following Thursday is when I leave for the trip. So I'm really excited. You know, I've bought my clothes, all of that, bought a new suitcase and all of that. Man, I've been spending this trip has literally cost me a few grand, but you know, it's gonna be worth it, man. I look at it like an investment in myself. You know, I'm definitely at that point where, you know, you get older, and if you find somebody that's worth it, that's it. You know, I feel like nothing else matters. Like, to me personally, I care about God most of all, and I care about my family, and, you know, just love family. I feel like that's what life is all about, you know. So that's why I'm willing to just make my life be so unorthodox and just do stuff that a lot of people would probably never do in their lives, because I truly hold those two things at the highest esteem above all. And I truly believe that money is just a tool. It's a tool to create memories. It's a tool to help people, you know, to live. And I don't know about y'all, but I plan on living. So I appreciate the people that watch my vlogs. And you know, like I keep stressing, you know, if there's anything that you guys think I should start doing more in my vlogs, you know, let me know. I want to be more serious about my YouTube channel, man. I feel like it's just a beautiful thing, and I love looking back at my videos and, you know, just watching stuff that I did years ago and like, man, what? I did that? I said that? I went there, you know? It's absolutely interesting to me, and I love connecting with people, you know, so God bless. Wow, I forgot I bought yogurt. Look at this, guys. I bought yogurt and I completely forgot. Look at that. It's not really much in the fridge because I'm going on a trip, so. All right, guys, so I just stopped for the night. Stopped at some random like truck stop area thing. It's really like a gas station, really. But I dropped off my load in Mississippi, and I picked up a load in Mobile, Alabama, and I'm gonna drop it off in Alabama somewhere. This is the area that I stopped at for the night. It's another truck parked like on the other side, so it should be cool. Just letting out Max for the night. But yeah, guys, man, I just keep thinking about this trip to the Philippines. I'm so excited for this, man. I'm extremely excited for this, guys. Just a break from working, you know, spend some time with my girlfriend and her family. You know, I'm super excited, guys, man, I'm telling you.